So in SQL Server we have various date functions. The first one is current underscore timestamp. So that returns the current date and time. So with the help of current underscore timestamp, I can get the current date and time. Then there is DATEADD. Now what happens with DATEADD? With DATEADD, let's say if I tell that today is 30th of March and then I'm looking for a date which is 3 days forward. So it will give me 2nd of April. Let's say if I'm looking for something like 3 months forward, then it will give me 30th of June. So I can pass in one parameter. I can specify what date interval do I want to add. 3 months, 3 years, 3 days, 3 weeks. I can specify that and then it will give me a new date. DATEDIFF is returning the difference between the two dates. I pass in the two dates and then it shows me the difference between those. Then there is date from parts. I can construct a date by specifying its parts. Now how does that help me when I already know the year, month and the day? It helps me to do computations on it. Then there is date name. Now date name will return a specified part of a date. Then there is date part. Date part will also return, like for example, if I ask the month, it will show me whatever is the month. Like let's say if the date is 4th June, then date part will give me 6, whereas date name will give me June. Then day will return me only the day. Like if 4th June 2025, then it is 4. When it is month, it is 6. When it is year, it is 2025. So like that, day, month, year, all these functions can also be specified so that it will return me those particular dates. Then there is get UTC date. Get UTC date will get me the database systems UTC date. And then there is isDate. IsDate will basically check the validity of a date. There is no point in passing the 32nd of August, something like that. So it will just check the validity of the date. Then there is also system date and time. System date and time will return the date and time of the SQL server. So we have current timestamp, which will help me to get the current date. Again, this particular syntax can vary. DATEADD, DATEDIFF remain same, but then certain syntaxes, certain function names can differ from one variation of SQL to another. Like SQL Server might do it different way. MySQL would have different function names like that. But internally, this is what happens. There is something to fetch the current date, DATEADD, DATEDIFF, date from parts. Then there is, that is, I can construct a date from its parts. I can extract a particular part of the date, extract day, month or year, and also get to know the UTC date or the system date and time.